How's this feeling?
Not good.
Scraping that IT band for those hip, low back IT band issues. Guys, so many people are getting this area scraped to death. And this structure, these structures that go through here typically do not like compression. They're usually sensitive to compression. So instead of smashing this region expecting a result, we're going to change the function of the things that influence this with 3 different movements. All right. So the first move we're going to do is the greatest stretch ever movement. All right. A lot of you have seen this. When we're doing it with the left leg forward, we're getting the hip flexor on this right side, helping to loosen the low back. For once again, we're focusing on that right IT band. Now when we go this way, we're kind of getting the glute, the hamstring, and getting some good rotation through this side as well. And now we're going to load it. So we're going to do 2 different side plank variations. All right. This first one is the knee plank clamshell. Go ahead and come on up for me. This is going to help target the low back muscles as well as the glute on the bottom side. As you continue to rep through this, you're going to feel that right-sided glute, kind of the glute med region, really start to fire as you work through this. Now, if you want to upgrade this a little bit, we'll do that star plank. This is the most amount of load. As you can see, this whole right side is supporting the body, keeping the hips up and off the ground. It's loading that IT band right here, and it's using the glute and everything on that same side as well. So cut it with all those scraping procedures and let's address it the right way.